Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ranwan Satria from class 19 c 26. Today I'm going to explain the simple present tense. This material will focus on how we use it to talk about habits, routes, and general truths. The simple present tense is one of the basic verb tenses in English grammar. It is used to describe action that happen regularly, habitats, general facts, and permanent situation. This tense is also commonly used when talking about routine actions and universal truths. The simple past tense describes regular action of facts that are always true. It's not about what is happening now, but it's happening now, but what's happened in general. For example, the earth moves around the sun or studies chemistry. Ke slash 4. Slash 4 versus the tension to experience routine and daily habits to talk about long-term continuous on person to describe general truth and solving problems. Yeah. Oh, the basic sentence pattern is subject plus verb plus complement. The complement gives extra information about the subject or the action. It can be a noun and descriptive or adverb. For example, PM are noun and active or adverb. For example, PM teacher. The complement is a noun. He is brave. The complement is a adjective. She work at night. The complement is adverb. There are two main forms of the simple present. The first on is the verb form, which is the best form of the verb or verb one. The second on is the nominal form, which is or may. Is or are. Sorry. Verbal form. The verb from a verb stand is subject plus verb one for positive tenses. Subject plus verb do all those plus no not from negative tense and do all those are the beginning for question. Nominal form. For the nominal form, we also be the structure is subject plus am, is, or are. The structure is, for example, I am a student, she is intrigued, and are you ready? closing to be to close the core from of the to be us and for I are for you and they and is for the he she and it for example I am happy they are friends and it's called today. Subjective verb argument. When the subject is he, she, or it, we add s or s to the verb. For example, he drove Howard, she was movies and I trained in March. Irregular verbs. So, slide 11. Some verbs change differently in the simple phrase. For example, have become has do become those and go become goes. So we can say she has a predicate and he does his common daily. Question from do or does. So from a question we use do or does we use do with I, you, we are they. And those with he, she, and it. For example, do you like coffee? Or does the or does she had novels? We have question formula. We have question are used to ask for specific information. The pattern is we have word plus the orders plus subject and verb. Here are some examples. What do you do every morning? Where do they live? When do they go to school? We let's have study English. Who do you meet after class? How do how do we make a simple class? Make how do we make a simple cake? Times markers times markers are words that show how often or when something happens. For example, every day and day Monday in evening or the week a month. Example sentence the call her patterns every week. Adverb of frequency. Also show how often something happens. Exam including hours, usually often sometime, rarely, and never. For instance, he usually adds nuts out on spam. The adverb of frequency is placed before main verb, but after the verb to be. For example, the often travel by bus and say is a well careful. Here are some verbs we often use in daily life: wake up, cook, study, write, drive, and sleep. Example stands I study at 9 and say leave to school. Uh, this tense in else used for teams and firm efforts. For example, The train left at night at 8 a.m. My class starts at 9, and the store closed at 10 p.m. At 10 p.m. Summary. The simple past tense, the summary, the simple past tense, it as to describe habits, routes, facts, and permanent situation. It also appear in statement of scientific truth and physics could schedule when the subject in has say or at the verb text, the ending s or s question are met with the word those and word can be added to ask for specific detail in addition. The complement of a sentence may function as a noun, an adjective, or adverb depending on the what information is given. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Ranwadi Snatria, and today I want to share my thoughts on the outcome of the match between Indonesia and Bahrain. First of all, in I want to express my respect and pride for all Indonesia players from the very beginning of the match. The so strong energy and teamwork, even though Bahrain is a strong opponent with great physical strength and international expression. All time they lost confidence. The player bravely trying to create chance and defend with all their effort. However, we must also be honest and realistic. There were moments when our defense was not solid enough and finishing in front of the goal could be improved. Bahrain took advantage of the tense weeks and that's something our time must learn from. Bad mistakes are part of the process. What important is how we respond and improve after every match. And my opinion, this game taught us an important lesson that football is not only about winning, but also about learning, teamwork, and national pride. Every time Indonesia plays, millions of fans support them with their hearts. That passion and unity are where make Indonesia football so special. We should also appreciate how our player and will we should also appreciate how our player hands the pressure even when the score was in our favor. They kept fighting until the everything last minute. That's all to sportsmanship and dedication to our country. I believe I believe that if we continue to support our time, they will grow strong. We need to trust the process, believe in church and player, and not stop caring for time. One day, with hard work and unity, Indonesia will stand proud among the best football national in Asia. So my message is simple. Don't be despaired by on results instances. Let's calibrate the effort, the teamwork, and the content our team has shown. Because every step forward, even a small one, bright Indonesia close to victory. Thank you for listening, and no matter what happens, Garuda will always be in our heart. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.